So, today we're going to cover the who moved my cheese scenario, where a user is complaining that someone moved a file. It's not in the location they left it, and they want to know what happened to it. So this could be difficult in a normal environment to find out what happened with the file. You could always revert back to a snapshot, but the user may want to know you moved the file and what's happening, or has someone taken a branch of that file. So they report it to the admin, and the admin is going to find out. And we're going to be able to do that in just a few minutes. What we do is we can see that we have these shares, and the original file was in graphics, stock art, miscellaneous. And it was this cheese, a cheese file located here. It's no longer there. So we're going to actually go over to My Rack Manager to go and look at what happened through user behavior audit analysis. So I click on the user behavior for the share, and it narrows it down to that. And we're going to specifically look at the activity for a file called cheese. So we can look for a specific file name or paths, and I'm going to do just that. I'm going to just wildcard cheese, and we'll see all the activity. And what we can see is the user, model employee, did in fact create a file called blurred cheese closeup. They did some work on it, and then a little while later, it looks like Brian Villain read and moved that file. And we can see that move file operation right here where they moved the file to logos, colors, approved print, and blur. So according to the user behavior analysis, that file is actually in logos and colors, approved print. So we're going to go step back into that, go over to logos and colors, and then into the print folder, and we should see the blurred cheese, which we do. So we can actually see that file here. Open it up, and voila! So that's how easy it is to find and locate a file. And obviously, we could quickly move it back into the desired location, back into the stock art, miscellaneous, where we want to be using it. So now if we refresh the user behavior and activity, we'll actually see where I moved it back from the incorrect place to the correct place in the stock art.